Bestie, let's make this cabbage sauce together. Let me share this recipe with you. I know you have your own recipe, but have you tried my own? I use the old layer chicken. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? Add your seasoning. But in this video, I didn't know my video wasn't recording, and I kept, thinking it was recording. So it's not easy. Content creating is not easy. You add your seasoning, your onion, your garlic. So I added garlic, onions, my cube seasoning, and I also added my powder seasoning, then salt to taste. Okay, you can also add any other thing of your choice. You can add your ginger and other ingredients you use in seasoning your meat. I said I put it in the fire. So these are the vegetables I'll be using. I'll be using carrots, I'll be using green pepper, yellow pepper, cabbage, onions leaf, green beans, your onions, tomatoes, your red pepper. Now if you can get red bell pepper, that's fine, but because I'm using tomato and the normal small pepper, I didn't bother getting the red bell pepper. Okay, you can also add any other vegetable of your choice. If you want to add lettuce and any other vegetable of your choice, you can as well add them, but this is exactly what I wanted to use. I slice my vegetables. When it comes to the size or the shape you want to give your vegetables, it's up to you. I love mine to be in like an oval shape, so that is what I'm trying to cut those carrots and the rest to. Okay, now that the meat is ready, some do fry their chicken or their protein, but I don't want to fry mine. Okay. The next thing I do is fry my tomatoes. When it dries a little, you add your spices. So I added my curry. I don't use much spices to cook my food. Okay, my curry, my thyme, and every other thing, spices that you want to use. Yeah, then the next thing is I add my green pepper. I love frying my green pepper a little longer than every other veggies. It brings out the aroma, this aroma that I love. Okay, so I add every other veggies and fry a little. Okay, I do 1/4, just 1/4. I separate 1/4. This is not all the veggies. Okay, I add my stock water. I dissolve my corn flour in water and I pour into the mixture already. Okay, so now the quantity of your corn flour depends on how thick you want your sauce to be. I don't want mine to be that thick. Okay, I didn't know this part, it wasn't recording while I was putting everything, but what I just did was to put the second part of the vegetables, okay, with my stock and the meat and everything. So this is the last part. So this last part is basically my carrots, my green beans, my cabbage. I let it sit for a minute and my food is ready, guys. This sauce is too tasty and yummy, guys. Come and join me while I eat. Bon appetit to me. So if you make your sauce like this, it's going to be crunchy, sweet, and tasty. Best, let me know what you think about this sauce. Would you be trying it out? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so if it's your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, and follow. But if you're already a family member, thank you so much for always visiting my page. Kindly like, comment, and share my video till we meet again. It's still your very girl Vivian.